Welcome to Defi Crypto Today. Our topic today is the year 2021 in review at Defi Crypto Today. All right, we're almost at the end of the year, and YouTube provided me with some very amazing statistics, okay, that even surprised me. Okay, and I wanted to take this occasion to thank you, our viewers. Okay, without you, nothing like this is possible. So I truly appreciate you viewing my videos. Okay, I have a ton of fun making them, and I hope you find them entertaining and educational as well. I hope you learned something, and I hope I help you in your journey in the crypto world. So let's have a look at the statistics that YouTube provided me recently. The numbers are really amazing considering it's a new channel. We have already 1.6 million watch time minutes. That's amazing, okay? And we had over 229,000 views. That's a lot. This is our most popular video apparently. The Wonderland, the original, the first Wonderland video when it was only at 31,000%. Already we thought that was crazy high, but now it's over 80,000. And people love Wonderland, and I love Wonderland. I think it's one of the best projects out there. Well, the fans are connecting, and I'm connecting with them. The top countries for channel views are the United States, with I believe around 35%. United Kingdom and Canada, somewhere around 5 or to 8% each, I think. We received 2,832 comments so far. And that's why I can't answer every single one of them. There's a lot of comments, okay? Now, here's something I want to tell you, okay? Sometimes the comments, I love the comments, first of all, okay? Don't stop. Please send me all comments, okay? But there are a few things you have to keep in mind. Sometimes YouTube delete comments and I have nothing to do with it, okay? It's automatic. The algorithm does that. Sometimes I post my comments as answers and they get deleted. I have no idea how it works, okay? I don't know why sometimes comments are deleted. I don't know how it works. No idea. Sometimes I delete comments if they're really nasty. I don't want trolls. I don't want people that say very negative things for no good reason. And if you swear and put nasty words in your comments, they're not gonna get published. I'm gonna delete them before anybody can see them. I hold all the comments mostly because there are a lot of spammers and scammers out there. There are people that fake my ID. They even steal my logo and they pretend to be me and they want to try to steal your money. So that's why I'm holding all the comments. I delete all those spammers and I report them to YouTube, okay? I have to do that. I want to protect you against people trying to steal your money, okay? If I don't do that, I think a lot of people are going to be miserable. So, and that's why sometimes it takes a long time for me to publish the comments. The other reason why sometimes it takes a long time is that sometimes you guys ask really technical questions that need a lot of research, and I don't always have time to do the research and find the answers for your questions, okay? Especially when there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of comments, it's very difficult. Now, if you really need an answer, I highly encourage you to become a member, a paid member, and to join our exclusive Discord channel. The memberships are not expensive, okay? The level 1, I answer everybody. All the members that ask me questions on Discord get answered, okay? And you can chat with me directly on Discord every day. I'm there many hours every day. If you post a message to my attention, I will answer it, guaranteed, to all paid members on Discord, okay? No problem. On YouTube, it's just a vast number of messages. It makes it more difficult. Also, it's difficult to follow up on YouTube. If I answer your comment and then you answer back, and it's difficult for me to find that comment, that second comment of yours. Okay, it's not easy to search in YouTube the way it's set up at the moment. Okay, that might improve in the future, but right now it's very difficult. I would have to search by keywords, and most of the time I end up with 100 different comments instead of the one I'm looking for. Okay, so if you need an answer, probably faster if you become a member and join the Discord channel. You're going to get your answer a lot faster. For those people that want a Zoom call with me, okay, again, the membership is the best way to do it. Okay, you get yourself a level 3 membership, and at level 3 you have, as part of your membership, 30 minutes of Zoom call every month. Okay, and you can ask me face to face any question you want about crypto. I'm not going to tell you what crypto to buy or sell, but if you're asking me if what I think about your strategies, okay, and things like that, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Okay, if you have questions about strategies that I created and you don't understand them, that's another way to get your answers. Okay, or you just type it in Discord and I'll answer you. All right, so think about that if you need answers. Okay, it's more difficult for me to answer you on YouTube due to the vast number of spammers and scammers. I spend hours and hours deleting and deleting and deleting and deleting. So sometimes I don't have time to answer everybody. If it's a short answer and I've got the and I know what to say immediately, I'll answer. I try to answer as many as I can every day. All right, so let's look at the rest of this. Okay, yeah, last month we managed to join the YouTube Partner Program. So now YouTube is starting to pay us, okay, which is fantastic. I haven't received the first payment yet. I'm hoping for it at the end of the year. But that's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. I never expected that it would happen so soon. So again, I want to thank you for joining us, okay, on this journey. I hope that you're happy and that you enjoy the videos. And even if you're not happy, tell me what you want to see in the comments. I read all the comments, okay? Even if I don't have time to answer them, I read them. So if you're telling me you want to see videos about something or something else, okay, let me know, okay? Put it in the comments or join and become a member and tell me in the Discord channel. I do my best to create videos that are fun and educational at the same time. Sometimes it takes a long time to prepare a video. Okay, some videos take 5 or 6 hours to make. Okay, it depends on the subject, because sometimes I have to do a lot of research for them. Okay, so be patient. At some point I'm gonna get there. Okay, I've got a list about 40 different video topics that I noted, so it's coming. All right. Yeah, so we had 12,500 likes and almost 3,000 comments. So I really thank you for your support. It's been so much fun, and I'm hoping that in 2022 we're gonna have even more fun and discover even more crazy things about crypto. Now, for those of you who don't know how to join, there's a join button on most browsers. You're not going to see these two buttons. That's for me. But under each video, there's a join button like this if you're using a web browser on a computer. It works also on Android, okay? If you have an Android phone or tablet, you're going to see the join button. Unfortunately, on the iPhone, you will not. So if you want to join, go on a computer, okay? Get your MacBook or whatever, and you're going to see it on Chrome, on Brave, I think also on Safari, but it has to be on a laptop or a desktop if you want to join. But on the Apple iOS and the iPad, it doesn't work. I tested it. You're not gonna see the join button. So to join, also after you join, you have access to the community tab, and that's where we have our weekly AMAs. We had our third AMA last Sunday. Okay, so it's members only. And again, you can ask me live all the questions you want. You type your questions and I'll answer verbally. Okay, so you have about an hour each time. That's what it lasts. Okay, so check that out. And I also put more information if I have new documents. You know, sometimes you see documents and PowerPoint presentations and the videos. Well, I put them here. They're all for members only. Okay, so if you want to access PowerPoint presentation or Word documents that I create, they're going to be put here. Okay, so they are exclusive for members. There's a bunch of stuff that I publish from time to time in there. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. It's free. All you have to do is put your name, your email address, hit the submit button. You get a big fat button that says download the free book. And if you don't like free books, go to Amazon, pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me a whole $1. See you.